Alright guys, it's that time of the year again where Aliexpress is having the big Double 11 mega sale, and it's the perfect time so you can get all of those items that you've been wanting all year long. Welcome back to a brand new video, and if you're new to the channel, my name is Santi with the Daily Tested team, and today I have something really cool that has been way too much fun to test out. This is the MJX 4-wheel drive 1/10 scale, and it's a Ford Bronco that is a total beast wherever you drive it. Off-roading, I've been taking it, that's why it's a little bit beat up and all dirty because I've been having way too much fun and it had no issues whatsoever. So I'm super excited, and the best part is that now you can get it for way less than the normal price during the sale. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. This model is built for speed and control, and it's a legit 1/10 scale RC with full 4-wheel drive and a durable off-road design. I picked it up from Aliexpress and I've been testing it for a few days, and it's been so much fun, and I wanted to see how it holds up before the Double 11 discount kicks in. Now, this Bronco is a 4-wheel drive in terrain performance, so right out of the box you can tell that it's not a normal toy or a normal RC vehicle. It's got a full 4-wheel drive setup, a large all-terrain tires, and a flexible suspension system. I took it out to the park and I ran it across the gravel, the dirt, and grass with no problem. The traction is great and it actually climbs up on even ground without flipping out. Now, when I tell you this thing moves, is because it absolutely does, hitting speeds up to 60 and 80 kilometers an hour depending on terrain and battery life. And even on pavement, it's smooth and the steering feels precise enough for drifting or racing straight lines. Now, the battery life is very solid. I got about 15 to 20 minutes of full power of driving per charge, and this is fantastic for something this powerful. Now, it's built off and the chassis and frame feel very solid, and it handled a few crashes without breaking anything. Now, I took it out a few times to unwind, and whether you're a hobbyist or just want something cool for the weekend fun, I think this Ford Bronco is one of the coolest RC vehicles that you can get, and it's a no-brainer. It's portable, it's easy to carry, and is one of those cool things that it turns a normal afternoon into something really fun. Now, the kids love it, but let's be honest, the adults, we have way too much fun with it too. Now, this is where it gets even better, because the Aliexpress Double 11 mega sale runs from November 11th to the 19th and is the biggest one they do all year. And you can find deals up to 90% off across thousands of products, from RC cars like this one, and tech gadgets, tools, and more. And if you use my exclusive discount, you can save even more during the checkout on top of the sale. And Aliexpress is holding the Double 11 mega sale from November 11th to November 19th, offering up to 90% off the entire site. That means that you can save $3 on $19, you can save $6 on $39, $15 on $89, $25 on $159, $40 on $269, $50 on $359, $70 on $469, and $100 of $599. So just apply the code at the checkout and the discounts are going to stack up on top of the sale. Now, what stood out for me the most about this Ford Bronco right here is honestly the value. You get real performance, real durability, and the kind of speed that makes it feel premium, and all for a fraction of what you would pay from a traditional RC brands. And with the Aliexpress Double 11 mega sale, you're getting even more with your money. So if you've been wanting an RC car or just want something fun and that actually performs, right now it's the perfect time to get one of these, because you need to apply those discount codes at checkout before November 19, and you can make the most out of Aliexpress Double 11 big mega sale. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Because I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.